Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chairperson of the NCOP, all presiding officers, Honorable Deputy President, Honorable Ministers, Premiers, Deputy Ministers, Chairperson of the South African Local Government Association, Honorable members, fellow South Africans, special guests, we thank you all for the contributions to the debate on the 2017 State of the Nation Address. Let me extend again our deepest condolences to the families of psychiatric patients who died so tragically in Gauteng. This matter is deeply painful for the country and should not be used for political gains. Government will continue to support the families and to ensure that the recommendations of the health ombudsperson are implemented. Let me thank all South Africans for taking the time to listen to the SONA. In spite of the shocking and unbecoming behavior that was displayed in this House again last Thursday by some members. Our people elect members every 5 years to represent them in Parliament and to fulfill the tasks outlined in the Constitution for the legislative arm of the state. The majority of members of Parliament understand the serious responsibility that they have been entrusted with and conduct themselves in a manner that gives hope to South Africans. However, some members or some MPs have decided to treat this august House like something worse than a beer hall. The conduct we saw in this House traumatized millions of South Africans, as well 12-year-old Given Lubisi, who came here to impress members of Parliament and the nation with his artistic skills. Let me extend a warm welcome to Given, who is my special guest today. We again appeal to those MPs and parties that have taken a decision to cause mayhem in the House to use available democratic mechanisms to express themselves within the bounds of decency and decorum. As adults, we can disagree ideologically, but we should not lose the track of the national interests. Respect for one another and for our parliament will restore the dignity of this important house and give hope to our people. Honorable members and compatriots, the message of SONA 2017 is clear and simple. The political freedom gained in 1994 must be accompanied by economic freedom for the black majority in this country, and the Africans in particular. We are not going to be apologetic about that. It is part of the South African story, a historic fact. Radical socio-economic transformation will help us to grow the economy in an inclusive manner, ensuring true reconciliation and prosperity. We have noted with shock statements from some in the opposition benches that our radical economic transformation program will not succeed because it has not succeeded anywhere else. That is a confirmation that some of our compatriots are determined to defend and protect the status quo and ensure that the ownership, control, and management of the economy remains skewed in favor of a racial minority. We welcome the fact that most members support the program. The fact that white households earn 5 times more than black households cannot guarantee a sustainable and prosperous future for all. The ownership figures of companies at the Johannesburg Stock Exchange should worry any leader in our country who wants to see a sustainable future. The fact that there is no proliferation of successful black-owned mining companies 23 years into freedom, as stated by the Honorable Luzipo, should unite us, all of us, into finding solutions. Abantu abamnyama kufanele bangabi abasebenzi nje kuphela. Kufanele babe nezimboni, babe izimanager, babe nemifela ndawonye exhaswe uhulumeni. Kufanele babe nomhlaba, balime, badle izingane, bondle izingane zabo. Sisho lokho ngalolu hlelo